I want to share a tip with you guys about doing a live shot outside on a sunny day. On a sunny day, your lighting is going to consist of this guy. Lights aren't going to do you much good unless you've got something super powerful, like a 1,000-watt light. So when you're setting up your live shot, think about the direction of the sun and how you can make it work for you. And my tip is to use your tripod as a compass. And by that I mean, look at the shadow that it makes. That's the direction your shot should point. So here's our tripod, there's our shadow, there's me. Once you put the camera on the tripod, you should be standing in the direction of the shadow. So you should be oriented like this. So for example, let's say we're doing a story about this good news car. Which direction do we want to set up for optimal lighting? All right, let's take this angle for example. If we say I want to frame myself up with the car here, if we use this angle and I step into frame, look how silhouetted I am. It's because the sun's going this way, pointing towards the camera. And so I'm completely backlit. Now, if we were to iris up enough so that you could see my facial features, then the shot's all blown out and is way too bright. So this doesn't work. Okay, say you want to show the side of the car because you want good news to be prominent. You want Alfa Romeo to be prominent. So you think, well, this is a good place to set up my shot so that I can frame myself up with the car in the shot. But with the angle of the sun's coming this way and is making shadows all over this side of my face. So this is not the best look for me because of this lighting. Here's what you want to do. Now, I know you're going to say, but this isn't the best angle of the car. This is still the angle you want to use because the sun is undefeated. Look at the shadow. Look at the direction of the shadow. That's what we want to use. It doesn't have to be 100% on center, but you want it to be kind of close. A little bit of an angle is not so bad. In fact, a little bit of an angle kind of helps because it adds some definition to your face. But from this angle, if I stand in front of the car, yeah, it's bright and I'm looking into the sun and that's not the most comfortable sensation, but my face is well lit. There's no shadows going across half my face. I'm not backlit. You can see the car well lit and you can see me well lit. So this is a shot that works. So remember, use this tripod as your sun compass. The direction the shadow is cast from your tripod, that's the direction the shot should face, or at least somewhere in that range. You go too far to one side and you're dealing with the big guy, and Sol Invictus, the sun is undefeated. The sun is unconquered. So use the sun to your advantage when you're doing a stand-up, a live shot outside.